Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. Little Halloween shapes, I think at Michael's in the dollar bin. They weren't very much. And I am going to first, I've already primed these on one side, but I'm going to paint certain areas because I think I'm going to use beads and no grout. So the backgrounds need to be painted so that whatever color I paint behind there will show behind the beads since there's no grout. So here we go. To start applying the beads. I've got this tray which makes for easy cleanup of the beads when I'm done, and I'm going to start with the yellow here mainly because this one is dry and that looks like the easiest place to start. And I am using some diluted Weldbond with water, about a 50-50 mix, and I just eyeballed that, but I'm going to use a syringe to try to apply it so that I can control a little bit where it's going. Here we go. Beads where they need to go is the perfect job for my mini crowbar. All right, step one is done with all of these. Now I have to let them dry, probably overnight, because I don't want to mess with them now. That's not a very strong glue. I might dump some more of that in tomorrow after I do the rest of it. But as for now, I just need to let that glue dry, and then I can tackle it tomorrow.
I ended up giving these to my adult children, all 20-somethings. Turned out they liked them, so that was nice.
Hey everyone, I want to talk for a second about that project. While it was fun and easy to make, there was a lot of waiting time between the steps because the diluted Weldbond just took hours and hours to dry. And I had to do that 3 times. And then at the end when I sprayed it to seal it, that took 24 hours to dry so that I could handle them. So it was a fun project to make and I love how they turned out, but they took quite a while, just the waiting time. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.